guys, welcome back to our video. So last time we opened this one, so this time we're gonna open this one. So this packaging, I already opened it. This packaging is quite hard if you don't want to damage it. Look, if you're gonna tear it apart like this, it's hard. So my suggestion, do it like here. So look, and then you pull here carefully, the other side. Oh, okay, so let's get our photo cards and films up. So first of all is Jisoo, and then there's Jenny, there's Rose, and there's Lisa. Okay, at the back is the same BLACKPINK 2023. Born Pink World Tour. It's the same background. Let me show you. Yes, it's the same. Now for the films. So there's Rose. Oh, is my camera okay? Yeah, I guess it's fine. There is Rose. Okay, there's Rose right here. There's another Rose. And then there's Lisa. There's another Lisa. There's Jisoo and another Jisoo. There's Jenny and another Jenny. So these are the film cards. And then we have, let's see. Oh, this is what it looks like in the film card. Yeah, the background thing, I guess. So these, we have Lisa again, Rose again, Jenny, and then Jenny again, Jisoo, and then Jisoo again. So these are the cardboard film cards. At the back is like this. All the same. So now let's put put the film cards and the three things in first. Who is a blank here? So I think one of my subscribers are blanks, maybe. Hopefully. Oh. Comment below if you like BLACKPINK and you're a blank. Do I actually have this set? Okay. Now for the book. I'm actually excited. I forgot what is inside. Okay. Oh my God. This is Jisoo. Oh, I think it's a postcard or something, I guess. Yeah. There's Jenny, Rose, and Lisa, and then Jisoo, different pose. Jenny, Rose. They're actually the same post, but just in different things. Like this is a book, and then just now is photo cards, films, or this kind of film thing here. Yeah, this is BLACKPINK, those four, and there's still one more, super cute. Okay, wait, let me fix the camera. Wait a second, because I'm using something to make it up. Yes, thank you. So let's get this one. This one is the best because I'm not gonna use it, but yeah. BLACKPINK. At the back is blank. I don't listen. So It's just like this. Okay, I'm just kidding. It's actually real cool. Let me show you. The best. Guess it's a poster, guys. So let me tidy up everything to let you see the whole poster. This one, I personally love it. Look, there's like BLACKPINK, and then there's 4 of them right here. Yeah, I love it. I can, yeah, I won't use it actually. I won't stick it on my wall, but I'm gonna keep it forever and forever and forever. So cute. It's like 3D. I don't know why. Okay, so this, let's tidy up first. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the end of these Born Pink World Tour BLACKPINK unboxing. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.